Hello, welcome to my kitchen. The place where every recipe comes with a sprinkle of fun. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing recipe for chicken fingers, but with a special detail: it's made without frying. That's right, you'll learn how to prepare a super crispy, delicious, and best of all, healthier breaded chicken. So grab a pen and paper and watch this video until the end to make sure you don't miss any details. Ingredients for the seasoning: 500 grams or 18 ounces of chicken breast cut into fillets. 4 cloves of crushed garlic, or to make it easier, a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 egg. To start, we will prepare the seasoning, which is essential to flavor the chicken. In a large container, place the 500 grams or 18 ounces of chicken breast cut into fillets. Then stir in the 4 crushed garlic cloves or a tablespoon of garlic powder. Add the teaspoon of paprika, which will give that special touch of color and flavor, and the tablespoon of yogurt that will make the chicken very juicy. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, break the egg, and mix everything very well until the fillets are completely covered by the seasoning. Set this mixture aside while we prepare the crispy part. Ingredients for breading: 1 cup of panko flour or breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of olive oil or melted butter. Salt and pepper to taste. Now it's time to prepare the breading mixture, which is the secret to crispiness without frying. In another container, place the cup of panko flour or breadcrumbs. Panko flour is a great option because it makes the breading even crispier. Add the teaspoon of paprika for more flavor and color, and the tablespoon of olive oil or melted butter, and finish with a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix well until the flour is slightly moist and has a looser texture. This helps to form that irresistible shell on the chicken. With everything prepared, it's time to breading. Take 1 chicken fillet at a time, remove the excess seasoning and roll in the flour mixture, pressing lightly so that the topping adheres well. Make sure that all sides of the chicken are well coated, because that's what will ensure the crispy and golden look in the end. Repeat the process with all the fillets and arrange them on a baking sheet or in the air fryer basket. If using a baking sheet, place a piece of parchment paper underneath for easy cleanup. Now just choose the best way to bake. If you have an air fryer, bake the fillets for 16 minutes at 392 degrees Fahrenheit, turning them halfway through to make sure they stay golden evenly. If using the oven, set to 428 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 30 minutes, or until the fillets are nicely browned and crispy. The time may vary depending on your equipment, so keep an eye out. Once done, remove the fillets from the oven or air fryer and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. This time is important for the shell to be even firmer and the chicken to maintain juiciness inside. Serve immediately and enjoy this delight. You can accompany it with a fresh salad, loose rice, or even a special sauce of your choice. So, what did you think of this recipe? Super simple, right? A crispy, unfried, breaded chicken with an incredible flavor. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video, share it with whoever you think will like this recipe, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.